Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing a super useful and surprisingly powerful product for small kitchens and indoor cooking setups, the portable range hood 3-speed suction desktop compact kitchen exhaust fan. Now let's be honest, not everyone has a big modular kitchen or a built-in chimney. Many of us live in apartments, hostels, dorm rooms, rented rooms, or small flats where smoke, oil fumes, and cooking smells become a real problem. And that's exactly where this portable range hood becomes a lifesaver. First, let's talk about the design. This is a desktop, compact, and portable range hood. You don't need to drill walls, no installation headache, no pipe fittings. Just place it near your stove, plug it in, and it's ready to go. The best part is the 3-speed suction system. You can choose low speed for light cooking, medium speed for daily cooking, high speed for frying, grilling, or heavy smoke. It comes with 2 activated carbon high-absorption cotton filters, which are specially designed to trap oil particles, smoke, and odors before they spread in your room. And yes, these filters are replaceable, which means long-term usability. Another huge advantage is low noise operation. Unlike big chimneys that sound like a helicopter, this one runs quietly, so you can cook, talk, or watch something without disturbance. This is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms and hostels, rental rooms, RVs and campers, indoor barbecue or hot pot, studio apartments. If you're tired of smoke, smell, and oily walls, and you want a simple, portable, and affordable solution, this compact range hood is actually a very smart buy. Check the link in the description to get it. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.